This is why small businesses are thriving online. Website builders changed the game. Let's see how platforms like Wix, Shopify, and WordPress leveled the playing field. Not long ago, launching a website was a headache, expensive, technical, and time-consuming. Then came Wix, Shopify, and WordPress, turning web design into a DIY project. Wix made it simple, drag and drop, no coding required. Shopify took e-commerce mainstream, letting anyone run an online store from their living room. WordPress gave the bloggers and brands total control, and a world of plugins. The impact? Small businesses suddenly had a digital storefront, global reach, and creative freedom. No more gatekeepers. But with great power comes new challenges, standing out, optimizing, and keeping up with trends. For digital marketers, it's both opportunity and battlefield. Website builders have changed the game. The winners are those who adapt, optimize, and never stop learning. So, which platform is your secret weapon?